Hi everyone. So today you are going to take your first quiz for the coding unit. But before I have you take the quiz, we are going to run through a review sheet recap sort of problem set. And this is going to help you with your quiz that you're about to take. Okay, so the quiz is open notes. You can use all of your notes that we've done so far, any of the homeworks that we've done so far. But this is really going to help you with what the quiz is going to be. So with number 1, it says, what is the type of the value 3.14? So remember, the types of data that we have so far are numbers, strings, and images. So 3.14, is that a number, string, or image? Number. What is the type of the value? Quote, hello. So whenever I see quotation marks, whenever we see quotation marks, that means it's a string. Okay? Regardless of what is inside of the quotation marks. So in number 3, even though I have the number 17, since it's inside those quotation marks, it is still a string. Okay? Number 4 says, write the expression 9 divided by 3 in code. So when we write code, we start with a parenthesis, then we do our operation, and our operation here is division. And remember, we use the slash for division, not the line with 2 dots. And we're dividing 9 and 3. Okay. Number 5, write the expression 20 plus 7 times 2 in code. So when we write code, we have the parenthesis. My overall operation is multiplication. So I start with multiplication. But this right here is what I'm starting with, which means I need to start my own set of code for that addition. So we have plus 20 and 7, close that parenthesis, and I want to multiply that result by 2. Close the parenthesis. Number 6, change the coordinates of x, y to indicate movement 15 units to the left. So if this is my starting coordinate, if I want to move to the left, we change the x value. And if we're moving to the left, that means I have to make it negative. So this is going to be x minus 15, comma y. We don't change the y value. Number 7, we're still starting with xy, but now I want to move 4 units up. So that's the y value we're changing. So this is going to be x, comma, y plus 4. Okay. Number 8, find the midpoint between the 2 points. So remember, midpoint, I want to find the average of my x's. So we have 0 plus 200 divided by 2. And then the average of the y's. So 80 plus 90 divided by 2. So 0 plus 200 is 200 divided by 2 gives me 100. 80 plus 90 gives me 170. And half of 170 is 85. So my midpoint is 185. All right, 9, 10, and 11, we're using the contract that is written below. Now remember, the name of the function is found between the semicolon and the colon. So mystery is the name of the function. Circle the domain. So the domain is between the colon and the arrow. So the number string is going to be my image or my domain. Put a box around the range. That's going to be the last thing. So the image is the range. Okay, so the name is between the semicolon and the colon. The domain is everything between the colon and the arrow. And my range is what we get at the end after the arrow. Okay, so use your notes. You can use this sheet to help you. Whatever you need on your quiz.